In the storm I stand, drenched but so bold. Heart made of steel, every story unfolds. Resilience in style, wrapped in my coat. Through the rain and the pain, I'm ready to flow.
Confidence drips like the rain from the sky.
Every drop's a lesson, let the past fly. I'm the king in the rain. Hear the thunder roll. Fearless and fierce. Yeah, I'm chasing my goal. Oh yeah. With every drop that hits, my spirit ignites. I'm breaking the chains, taking on the nights. Oh yeah. Clouds may loom, but they can't bring me down. I rise from the mud, I've earned my crown. Chasing my dreams, I'm the talk of the town. Watch me conquer the stage, I hold us around.
Lightning strikes, but I won't retreat. Strength in my soul.
Can't accept defeat, yeah. I'm the thing in the rain. Hear the thunder roll. Fearless and fierce. I'm chasing my goal. With every drop that hits, my spirit ignites. I'm breaking the chains, taking on the nights. I rise with the storm, let the world know my name. With confidence and fire, I'm waving the Every drop that hits, my spirit ignites. I'm breaking the chains, I'm breaking the chains, taking on the nights.
With the storm, let the world know my name. With confidence and fire, I'm waving the flag.